I'm going to fail this physics test. It's pointless. When am I ever going to use an equation for aerial motion?
Ask the guys in your band.
Huh?
You need an upgrade, my friend. The paper airplane is the perfect shape. The angle of flight is everything.
Whatever you say, Mikey, but I like my paper weapons rough and simple. Good one. Mark, think fast.
Lucas, no!
Bullseye.
Who threw this? Stella, is this yours?
Velocity of an object is the rate of change of its position while...
I left my notebook in my locker. Stella, can I borrow some paper?
Stella, I asked you a question.
Yes, miss. The paper's mine.
Perhaps you can use this time to think about what sort of attention you seek while at school and the impact of your actions.
Huh? What happened, Stella?
5 detentions after school. A whole week starting tomorrow. And a letter to my parents to be signed and returned.
So, you didn't tell her the truth?
Huh?
Marina is such a snitch for calling animal welfare. Is it really so wrong to bring a dog to school? Rihanna gets bored at home.
I know, she's such a snitch. And nobody likes snitches telling tales, right?
No, I'm not a snitch. I didn't say anything.
Thanks so much, Stella. I've already been in so much trouble this term because of my guerrilla gardening campaign.
Lucas!
I'm going to share the resulting meal with everyone. Margarita pizza is a public good.
We're really grateful you're so cool about this, Stella.
How am I going to explain this to my parents?
Don't explain it. Just get someone else to sign the letter and call the school. Miss Steele, my sincere apologies, but Lucas's homework has been eaten by ants.
As far as Miss Steele's concerned, Joey's my mom.
I could be your mom too, Stella, if it helps.
Haven't you got Stella into enough trouble already? She doesn't need you pretending to be the queen, Mikey. Doing something like that will only make things worse.
I know.